Hi, a very warm welcome to Marian Egan's Flip Your Frequency podcast channel. Why would you want to flip your frequency? Frequencies are the energy that gets you back on track when you are suffering with stress, anxiety, pain. Then things start to slow down. It stops you doing and being the best you can be. So what I do is, with my simple system, I first stop what's stopping and blocking you. Like, I detect, and then I correct. No, I help you correct. And then we get to ignite your passion and your purpose. So dealing with pain really stops people in their tracks. Now, pain is body talk. Your body is telling you there's something wrong and there's something that you need to do about whatever it is that's causing this anxiety, stress, pain, lack of energy. It's all information that your body is trying to get your attention. And when it gets the attention from you for you to do something, in order to restore the balance and harmony that we were born with, it is so, I'm so amazed at how this way of working has brought people back to full health, restoring their energy, getting rid of the pain, eliminating it, and igniting the passion and the purpose that we're here to do. Are you existing, or are you living to your full potential? This is what my expertise is all about. I've been doing this for 30 plus years, qualified in over 10 modalities, actually more than 10, but it doesn't matter. I know how to empower people to heal themselves. So with my expertise, I can help you to achieve what it is you would like to achieve. Whether it's pain, whether it's stress and anxiety or lacking energy, whatever. It's for ladies, for gents. I've even worked with children, but it's whatever is stopping and blocking you from being the best version of yourself. So let me help you. Do please like, subscribe, comment. I would love some comments, and share, because this information really needs to get out there. There are so many people crying out for solutions. So I have buckets of solutions, loving to share them, loving to help people to get well, stay well. And as I say, if your body's not healthy, where are you going to live? This is your house. What you see here right now is where I live. It doesn't matter about my walls that surround me. This is my body. I live here. And for many years, I didn't have the health. But now I have, and I'm literally bursting to share all the knowledge, all the tips, the hints, and I have such a simple, easy solution for you to flip your frequency. If it's off, we switch it on and let your body heal itself. Your body has an innate intelligence to heal itself. So let's do it. Let's get healing. And let's flip your frequency for what you want to achieve and to live, and just have a wonderful, wonderful harmony, balance, and energy.